Alright. At first, a hip sway, a bow bending in the wind, reiteration, fish market lovers wrapped in classifieds, fingernail, collarbone, leg slide, naked up past our bedtimes, our laughter has sticky fingers and a sudden sunrise. When I look at her, I feel like a man, that old crutch called objectify. Still, when she talks, I listen, as if words mean more when she says them.
We stand here, point there, pour contingencies to the tumult and its digestion, point there. Quite sadly and thus determinedly, the Middlemarch could not matter. Now's my personal era of middling, and no blowing, wicked or soft, has solved for point or pattern. I stand obsessed at circuits, flaming north and south and wind, winding up at odds with the almanac and all those ambitious programs. So bemused, the settlers in their quandaries, cancers, and commutes home. I have no heart among them, and no one to yell at. My words so practiced, dressed up, nowhere, stand here, point there. I stand obsessed at Middlemarch, planning the minutia's minutia and its damnable imperial hold of my hand, tracing fingerprints of no known plan.